Hey there, tech associates. Have you ever wondered how to scrape real-time data from website without diving into complex programming, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to scrape BBB again. It's a business information using Python and Playwright in Google Colab. This is Colab already. Okay, I'm already logged into my account and yeah, it's the modules that I use, like as you can see, Asyn show, Playwright, Pandas, URL lib, tabulate, request, JSON, and then the nest Asyn show. All right. Now, it's almost the same with the one that I created in my previous video, although that one is a what you call this? It was run. I run it by what you call VS Code. Okay. Now, before we dive into the code, well, I've already yeah. Before we dive into the code, let's break it down. Okay. Just to give you some input. Web scraping is a process of extracting data from websites, like pulling contact information, addresses, product details. Imagine pulling all those information in just a few minutes. No more copying or pasting. It's like having your own digital assistant working around the clock. Now, why Playwright and Google Colab? You can use other platform like what's called this BS Code. I already demonstrate that to you. In Because in Playwright is a fast and reliable, easy to use library for scraping dynamic website like BBB. It can handle JavaScript heavy pages. Be Sometimes beautiful soup can struggle with those kind of website. In Google Colab, it lets you run Python without installing anything on your computer. It's super easy, right? And then you don't even need to worry about setting up a local Python environment. And aside from that, it's easy to run in Google Colab. You have to click on this play button on the left hand side of Google Colab. But first, let's talk about the code. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is to launch Playwright in a headless browser, so you don't see any browser popping up on your screen because it's working on the background to extract data. Second, we make a search request on Bing for business listed on bbb.org. Third, we scrape each business profile, pulling out the names, address, phone numbers, category, contact information, websites, and also the BBB URL or the profile URL. Now, finally, we store all the information in a neat CSV file for easy access. Now, this code is a web scraping powerhouse that runs automatically in the cloud. No fuzz, no heavy lifting. Let me demonstrate that to you right now. I'm going to click on the link or click on the play button. Right, it will going to ask for if you are in the US, you just have to type site colon bbb.org. That's all. And then what's the search query that you want, right? So right now I'm going to do construction. Okay. Then space. Where are you going to search for construction in Canada? So let's say the city is Vancouver. In Vancouver. Okay, you don't have to put the country Canada or the provinces where is the Vancouver is currently located. Okay, That's British Columbia, right? So no, we're not going to put that in. We're just going to press enter. Okay, just going to go down, and as you can see, it's scraping Vancouver, Canada, or Vancouver, or yeah, it's trying to search BBB. Okay, it's no next page. So so now it will going to run. It's going to scrape the yep, the five category or five pages in BBB .org. As you can see, there's one, two, three, and it got the no found business address or business management contact. Okay, that's one, two, three, four. That's five pages. So this might okay, that's one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. All right, so you can see if the business management is available, and there's another contact in principal contact, and then another one in the contact. Like for instance, let's see this one. See, business management is Gordon Wilson, and then the principal contact is Blair Wilson. So it goes with the, hold on, let's see the others. So you see here, and then they're the same names and contacts. Miller Construction, Heiko, there's that. Heiko Hubatka. Okay, all right. So you can see it's running. It's running in the background. Once it's done, it will going to pop up the dialog box on where to save the contacts. Okay. If usually you're going to save it on Google, I mean in CSV file, right? That's the extension .csv. And then after that, I mean after it's done, it's only five pages. That's one, two, three, four, five. So in one page, usually the in BBB in one page you will get 15 sometimes or 10, but probably 15 per page. So that's 15 times 5, that's 45. So we're going to expect to get 45 rows of data from BBB. Okay, but it depends because we're not going straight to bbb.org, but we are directly search the Bing dot search to be able to get this information. Because if we're going to go directly to the bbb.org, it will going to make it will going to detect our app in it will going to be detected but that we are a auto or a bot, right? So they also have an anti-bot feature, so we're going to avoid bumping to those anti-bot feature of any kind of website so that our IP address will not going to be blocked. All right. So right now I think it's done. Oh no, it's not yet done. As you can see, it's still scraping down here. You will see here on the lower portion of the screen says executing 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay. Right, this might take a little while. You can see here James Bradley, Therese Kelly, Connor Bradley. I mean, you can get even the office manager, director, president. So this is a very handy program. You just have to run it on your browser, and instantly you can get their you can get the browser. The browser is not we're not using Google Chrome, or we're not going to use any famous website. We're just using Playwright browser, or usually Selenium browser. Okay, so right now I'm going to pause for a few minutes because this might take a little while, and then I'll get back to you once it's done. All right? See you then. So as you can see, it opened the browser right now. I mean, it opened the dialog box, and then we just have to save it on somewhere in our program, and we're going to save it here in one of my folder, and I'll give you the result on on what you call this, on the CSV format. Okay, or yeah, the CSV format. Going to save it right now. Okay, and then as you can see, it's done. It scraped 41 records to site.bbb.org, construction in Vancouver underscore BBB underscore results dot CSV. So we're going to go there and see if it's in here. Okay, as you can see here, it successfully get the business names, the address, and also the phone numbers, right? And then the business management, principal contacts, customer contact, category, website, and then the BBB, the what you call this, BB. Oh, sorry about that. Going to be the BBB profile URL. Just going to make it bigger so that you can see. 1 second. Okay, it's not functioning well. Hold on. All right, well, anyway, it's already been scraped. Majority has already been scraped, and all the data that I need to be done are already here. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. And next video. Just wait for the next video, but I'm going to I'm going to upload that probably next week. So see you on the next video. Okay. Thank you very much.